Okay, so what you guys see on the screen in front of you is an indication of the match that needs to be made between the parenthetical reference and the first words or the actual listing here for an article from a website. So what I'd like you to do right now in your paper is to go ahead and find any parenthetical reference. And remember, these are parenthetical references because they use parentheses. I also refer to them as in-text citations. Go ahead and find that in your essay. And those words need to match the exact citation or the exact source listed in your works cited. So for instance, if let's say I were an author, Booz, Hendrick would be in parentheses, and then same thing for the actual source citation in your works cited as well. They should match exactly. So if it's an article, you're going to have the quotation marks. If it's a PDF, it's going to be italicized. If it's just the entire website, it would be italicized. If it has an author, you're going to name the author. Or like Jacob and many of you guys who have multiple authors, you would just, let's say Matt, Elliot, Ellen, and I wrote an article, and Ellen was the one in charge. She would be the first author, and then from there it would be alphabetized. Or sometimes some scientific communities do it in the order of work that the person added or helped with in the actual project itself. So let's say Ellen were the lead, Matt and I were just researchers, and her partner was Elliot. It would be Nairere, comma Ellen, comma Robert or Elliot Roberts, comma now alphabetized because we're equals, Hendrick Booz, comma and Matt Nicholson. In the actual citation at the end in the works cited, but here you would only have to put Nairere et al. And et al is E-T-A-L, period, and that's Latin for and everybody else. Okay? Does anybody have any questions about how that works?